North Africa. This is the Aleutians calling. It doesn't look like much of anything up here, but while you've been pounding those Germans and Italians, we've been plenty busy with the Japs. Our outfit is on the Andreanofs group of the Aleutians, halfway between Dutch Harbor and Kiska. The airfield puts our planes within fighter range of Kiska and easy bomber range of Attu farther west. And here are the bombers, Liberators and Flying Fortresses, the air arm of the United States forces in the Aleutians. They're loading up to give the Japs a little talking to in the only language they understand. Our flyers are veterans now, experienced in flying through some of the worst weather on Earth. In an hour, they'll be over Jap-held territory, giving their bomb sites a welcome workout. In the dim Aleutian dawn, one plane after another fills with its fighting crewmen. All set? Let's go. Above, almost always, those pea soup clouds. Below, island after island in the Aleutian chain, which for years had been charted by innocent-looking Jap fishing boats. Approaching the island of Kiska, machine gunners are on the alert for action. A Nipponese warship is spotted. Without breaking from their course, our gunners strafe the deck. Bomb bays open silently on command. And here go American bombs hurtling toward the Jap base at Kiska. Several destructive fires are started. Another load, recorded by slow-motion camera, drops toward the enemy below. This is getting to be so routine, the Japs have written letters of protest to the folks back home. With signs of their mission blazing behind them, the American air fleet wings over and heads for home.
Communique from the Aleutians. At dawn, a fleet of United States B-17 and B-24 bombers took off from an advanced Aleutian base with Japanese installations at Kiska as objective. Scattered enemy fire was encountered. One Japanese warship strafed. High explosive and demolition bombs were dropped with success on objectives, and several fires were observed. All attacking planes returned safely to their base.
Back home to the little patch of mud called Fireplace, with new notches on our guns. But we'll be out again tomorrow, a lot of tomorrows, paving the way for action which will include us and the Aleutians, you in North Africa, and other American forces throughout the world.
Dear Adolph, it is given here in America with more Schweinerei. Kindly inform the Gestapo we need more spies immediately. Pfui on that FBI. You think this is bad news? Here is even worse. Take a look at this flying machine. See how it swoops nice and graceful like it was an eagle in the sky. An eagle with a load of bombs for Düsseldorf. And maybe even Berchtesgaden, mein Führer. Was ist los hier? Was ist with an airplane, with an umbrella, with a parachute? Surprise, Adolph? She is a toy. She is a miniature. She is something these ridiculous Americans use for training in anti-aircraft. In here they make them, and each model is a perfect reproduction of a big machine. That's the antenna, but connects with the radio on the ground where some dummkopf controls her. Now look, see a parachute, so she could come down when she is shot? Look, how he puts the parachute on the plane. They are very careful people, these Yankee doodles. Everything here's in bunches. Here, when they make one, they make a lot. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this is very discouraging. Now comes the interesting part. This is the catapult that shoots the little baby plane in the sky. This army officer makes with the box and controls the whole works with the radio. Don't ask me how, Adolph. Now watch. Wait for the crash. It didn't crash, Adolph. Cheese and credit, Adolph, take a look on these bing-bang guns. And take a look on how these men are trained. They're going to try to shoot down the little plane. Maybe they wouldn't hit it. I guess I was wrong, Adolph. They hit it. Oh, mein Führer, this is not appetizing for the Messerschmitts and the Volkerwulfs. Adolph, why don't we do something?